Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make payments with Bybit Card. For that you need to launch your Bybit mobile application, and before proceeding to the steps, let me tell you that the Bybit Card is a payment card associated with your Bybit account. So a cryptocurrency exchange platform. So to make the payments with your Bybit Card, you just have to follow these general steps. First, if you haven't already activated your Bybit Card, you will need to do this first. This usually involves logging into your Bybit account and following the instructions provided to activate the card. You need to ensure that your Bybit card is properly linked to your Bybit account and that you have found in the appropriate account or wallet that the card draws from. Third thing, you need to make sure that you have sufficient funds available on the card before making a purchase. Now, in order to make the payments, you can use it in store. So for physical store, you can use the Bybit card just like any other debit or credit card. You can swipe or insert your card at the point of sale and you can enter your PIN if required. When making the online purchases, you can enter the card details as you could have with any other payment card. This includes the card number, the expiration date and the CVV code. You need to keep track of your transactions through the Bybit application or the website to ensure there is no unauthorization charges or that your balance is accurate. So if you encounter any assistance, you can contact with the Bybit customer service, and in order to do that, you can tap on the headphone icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. You need to always remember to keep your card information secure and report any lost or stolen cards immediately. If Bybit updates its procedures or the features, you might want to check their official website or application for the latest information. So thank you so much for watching.